at the moment what we'll be showing you now is programming the nice Soon Sidewinder via the overview. First I need to plug in my IBT 4N adapter, which is the unit here, which we plug in onto the main controller. Our overview powers up. At this stage we are on the home screen, and to get into the programming we need to press the right key which says menu. We press C unit functions, select C unit functions again to select, and we select installation. We need to go to positions and select, and we scroll down to the open. So now what we were doing the open programming, opening the door. We hold the up button in till the required position in the open. If we are happy, we release, we say OK, and we scroll down to closing, select, we press the down button to the required close position. When we are happy, the door has reached the ground, we say OK. At this stage, we go back all the way to the home screen. You will notice that the courtesy LED is flashing. I need to confirm my open and close positions where the door needs to profile. What I do is I just press the up button, and the door will run open 3 times and it will close 3 times. So watch the screen until the door is closed on the 3rd time, where your courtesy LED will be permanently on. Alright, as you see, the courtesy LED remains on. We have completed the runtime setup via the overview.